Welcome to codePannu. Let us see the difference between a variable and a list. Variable is used to store only one value at a time. I write age is equal to 12 here. So what do? I store this one value 12 into the variable called age. But if I want to store more than one value at a time, I should use a list. Yes, we have a list here called marks. So we can store more than one value. That is, we have stored 5 values into a list. In case if you want to store 3 values, you need not create 3 different variables, but you can create one list and store all the 3 values into the same list. Yes, that's the difference between a variable and a list. For now, bye.